Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who has been subscribing in the past 24 hours. My subscription numbers shot up dramatically with the help of my younger brother, who is also a YouTube, well, he's actually a celebrity. I wouldn't consider myself a celebrity yet. He does art and he is an amazing artist. He does portraits, he does a lot of anime stuff, and he has built a major following on on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. I honestly did not even realize the gravity of, or just the amount of clout that he has. Like, I just didn't even, I wasn't aware that I was living in a home with a social media star. Yeah, so my subscribers just shot up. So I just want to thank everyone who has subscribed within the past, well, I said 24 hours, but like, I'm posting this video Tuesday. So in the past 2 to 3 days, just thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate it. But that doesn't mean it stops there. Okay, I need to get to 1,000 subscribers so that I can begin to monetize my channel, which is what I really want to do. It's what I've been trying to do for so long, that's been my goal, and I've fallen off the horse many times, but I'm back on and I'm not getting off, and I'm not stopping until I get there. So I'm already more than halfway there. And I just need that extra, extra pull, that, those people just coming in, making sure you like, make sure you share my videos, and most importantly, subscribe, because this is really something that I am passionate about, and I love to share my love of makeup with you, in addition to me continuing to learn on my channel, because I am not an expert. I've been doing makeup for a long time. It's been a passion of mine since as long as I can remember. I love to grow with you guys on my channel. I love to show you guys my mistakes, show you the rawness and the realness. I'm not going to pretend. I'm going to be real with you guys. If I'm telling you that I jacked this eye up, I'm going to tell you that I jacked this eye up, and we're going to keep it moving. This eyebrow's uneven. It's just going to be uneven for the rest of the video, okay? Yeah, I really appreciate all of the support that I am getting. Now, today's look is a purple halo eye, and it is something that I have been working on for probably the past few weeks now, since I've started to venture more into the color factory, is what I call it, of makeup. I've been experimenting a lot more with color. I've been doing a lot more colorful looks. You guys love the colorful looks. You've been giving me feedback on Instagram, which is another thing that I really appreciate. If you do not follow me on my socials, they will be down below in the description box. They are also on my channel. When you first come in and you see the whole big welcome sign in my picture, you can click on my little socials, my Snapchat, my Instagram, to stay connected with me and keep up to date with what is going on in my life. So this halo eye look is something that I've really been working on, because I really love this style of eyeshadow. It's very pretty. I love that it's like an ombre, sunset stuff. That's like a really big deal for me. I'm going to show you guys how I did this halo eye look. I'm going to tell you what products are being used. The rest of this video is going to be a voiceover, because as many of you may know by now, that right there. So to eliminate the frustration, I just do some videos where they're just going to be voiceovers. That part. This is going to be a shorter video. A lot of times my videos are a little bit longer, but give y'all a little break, give you a little short video, something that you can look real quick, watch how I do it, and yeah. So if you want to learn how I did this look, please continue to watch, and let's get right to it.
I ain't tryna. Yeah, ain't tryna be cool like you. Wobbling around in your high heel shoes, I'm clumsy. Made friends with the floor. 2 for 1, a bitch by 4. And 2 left feet, I always try.
All right, so we are starting off with an eyeshadow primer, and this is my Morphe eyeshadow primer. Love this primer. That's all I have to say. I am blending it out using my fingers because I feel like I always get the best results. Now moving on to eyebrows. Today I am using my eyebrow pomade because my pencil ran out. So sad. So nothing special here. Same routine. If you haven't checked out my brow routine, go check that out now. Brows 101. There will be an updated tutorial coming to you soon. But for right now, you can watch that one. So to create this look today, I am using the Zulu palette by Juvias Place, and the colors are not named, like there's no names for them, so I'm just going to describe them. Obviously, as you can tell, this is the purple shade in that palette, and then to start creating the ombre halo effect, I'm using the pink, and then I'm just blending the two colors together using a tapered blending brush. To intensify the halo, I am going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is the white shade, like the lightest shade that they offer. There are a few different ways to achieve this look or this effect, but my favorite way is using using a white base or like a white concealer and then going over it with some kind of shimmer. And this shimmer is from Makeup Revolution, and it's actually their jelly highlighter. It's supposed to be used on the face. I'm not a big fan of that, but it is absolutely perfect and amazing for creating these types of eyeshadow looks. Now I am popping some eyeliner on. I'm not doing a winged eyeliner for this look specifically. I'm just lining the shape of my lid with the liquid liner. Now for primer, I am using two different things to prep my face. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Passion Fruit Oil just to add some moisture. And then I'm also using the Maybelline Master Prime. I'm using two foundations today, and one is from ColorPoP and the other one is by NYX, and it is their Total Control Drop Foundation. I like to kind of use that as a pigment, like to darken up certain foundations that I have, because in the summertime, you know, I tan, so it's kind of hard for me to, you know, I don't want to always have to go back and buy darker shades just because I get a tan for a couple of months. So these Total Control drops are perfect for adding some color back into your foundation if you need a little bit. Now I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and before I blend it out, I always like to mist my face a little bit just to help the blending process. And I'm just blending it out with my Beauty Blender sponge. This is actually the Huda Beauty Sponge that I got in my Ipsy bag, actually. And so far so good. I like it. I think I actually really like that it's black so that I don't feel so bad when my sponge is just caked on with makeup. It's kind of gross. But anyway. Okay guys, I definitely clean my sponges. Don't be out here thinking that I don't clean my sponges, because I do. All right, now going into powder. This is from ColorPoP. I've been using this powder for like 2 years now. It is amazing. It is the banana powder, and it comes in a cute little carry case. So this is like my travel powder. And now for blush. Okay, going rapid fire here. Blush. This is from the Makeup Revolution palette, and it is the Sugar and Spice palette. And for the highlight, I also use that pinkish shimmer color in there. I don't know why I did my highlight before my blush most of the time. Anyway, now contouring. So I'm using the e.l.f. cream contour and just blending that out. Oh, why not apply more shimmer? Why not? Yes, highlight all day. Glow, girl, glow. And y'all know how I feel about my blending. So, you know, we got to blend all of that out together, because nobody's supposed to know where your blush starts and your highlight ends, or whatever they say. Blush begins, highlight ends, whatever. Anyway, blending that all out so it can be seamless. And, oh yes, I did go into my crease again just a little bit to kind of darken up that purple shade. Oh, more highlight, yes. Actually, I used that for my inner corner. This is from the Makeup Revolution. I don't remember the name of it, but it is a star. It is in the shape of a star, and it is so cute. I love using it for my inner highlight. And for my waterline, instead of doing eyeliner like I usually do, I am just using eyeshadow, and I'm taking the purple shade that I used from the palette and just smoking that out along my lash line. Yes, give it some intensity. Mascara, nothing special. And now we take this moment to admire ourselves in the camera, and in the mirror, and in the camera again. The one thing that ties everything together, falsies. And y'all, I gotta get some new lashes, because I've been recycling the hell out of these lashes, but it's okay. So yeah, these are lashes from the beauty supply store. They were like $2.99. Yeah, there's no like specific brand. They were just beauty supply store brand. Okay, so for lipstick, liquid lip, I used a Juvias Place liquid lip, and I'm pretty sure it is in the shade Mina. I will have to double check that. And now for setting spray, I used the Makeup Revolution and my Urban Decay All-Nighter setting spray to just set all that in place, baby. And now we are done. We are done. I hope you liked this video. Please like and comment. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my socials. And I will see you guys in the next video.